You allow undocumented criminals. You allow undocumented people to come in our country without papers. And then you allow them to use your garage. You allow them to use your premises, your house. And then you say they must stay. Undocumented people, imagine, to come and stay with our community. When that person is having a trouble with our community, or something has happened that involves him with crime, that person gets away, nobody traces him. Wena ufakela mntu kurepha umntana, wena ufakela mntu konzakala abantu, lamntu atshayise abantu bafe, ugqiba lahleke lamntu, abe nengozi, abe involved, because bayabribe aba bantu, ababribe traffic, babribe namapolisa for licenses, bayabribe for everything. They have taught South Africans a culture of bribes. Now South Africans zilwa zodwa because zitenga okubribwa ngaba bantu, because baqhelisiwe bade bayifuna ngokwabo ibribes, bethengisana bodwa. We're not gonna allow that thing. Sisekhona thina, sisekhona, we'll fight it. Because these people, their mission is to invade us. Their mission is to make sure that we are subservient, we are subhumans under them. We will not allow that. This country, Eastern Cape, was fought for. We will not allow. We have rich history of even of black, Indian, and colored people that were protesting. We have Joe Slovo that showed us that this thing of racism is wrong. We have people who are Indians who participated fighting against a regime. We have colored people who participated against regime in Cape Town. We have people such as Alan Pusak who fought against the regime. We are united in this thing. We must fight it and save South Africa from invaders who are lazy, who just come here to look for shortcuts and allow and run away from standing up for their rights in their countries. And they come here to cripple the retail industry, to cripple our economy. They come here to invade us and poison us with food. They come here to make fake alcohol. These people, they come here to collapse the retail industry using black market, using chemicals that are not meant to be consumed by us. Sanele ngaba bantu mabaphume bahambe Eastern Cape, naba babulela abantu ngapha ya, babulela abantu ngapha ngebhasi, bebezothini apha, bebezothini apha, bebezothini. Bekusuppose if besithetha ngezwe elinye, we saying those people mangaphinde ngene ebhasi apha, babulela abantu kabuhlungu kangaka. Abantu abakwazi nokuqhuba ke babonela lapha etown, because they are bribing the licenses, or code 10 or code 14, they are bribing them. Good traffics. Why money traffics and South African police are not patriotic enough to save our country? I don't care who says what, how they're underpaid, they're tempted. That's nonsense. When you serve with selflessness and honesty. We don't want people here in this country going to sell us, because once you sell a mission or a task, the repercussions and the outcomes is the death of many people, because there's one disloyal person. We are tired of people who are selling us just because they're in high ranks, just because they hold certain authority. They sell us to the foreigners. When I'm at the back of your house and shops up, you're going to get arrested. President Ramaphosa said you're going to get arrested. Uzawubanjwa. Now babegcwelise ngapha eKingsburg benza isaluni, ugcwele eKingsburg amaZimbabwe bayazenzela yonke lento yabo khomla uphakamayo, because xa uthetha njengami ubonakala njengongamuntu unomsindo uyalwa okanye ufuna ntontoni. Amaxhosa anala problem, especially this generation, iyandidika lento yokuba xa uthetha ingathi ungumuntu olwayo okanye ofuna and understand the concept abanayo apha engqondweni, because izinto ezichaphazelana abantu akuhlaleni nabantwana babo babuya bazocela kwakuthi as social active thina abantu ba social apha ku society, thina abantu ba active ku society. The very same people bathi abazenzo zicinana, you hayi ndifunde kakhulu, hayi ndithela khomntu ongayanga esikolweni for that matter. Ukuya esikolweni kuba mawuchubeke ukulwela ilungelo lakho, noma ungayanga esikolweni into balekile into abantu bafuneka uchubeke ulwela amalungelo wakho. Ayinando na school, ayinando na class ba ungubani wena, yo hayi nano ndingumchurch, ndingumsile, ndingumsabatha, ndintontoni, anokwazi ubonwa protester. Ayinando na status into yo protester, ayinando na status. Babona balibele kuba bahluphekayo pha, balibele kubantu bayokolita kula maZimbabwe. bayocall it chicken chunks ezitontoni ezisupek pha. Babangabangcwatshwa behleli because bangcwatshwa behleli balibele kulantu yo uyasikwelitisa namacuba yo hayi kwathini. You people must stop living as subhumans with foreign nationals. You must stop that in your own land. This freedom must fought for. Akunyanzelekanga uhlale ngokweliti chicken tontoni, i-chicken pack, soup pack, ulibele kumanisithi awuyakweletisa uJohn, you awuyasicingela. We had shops before. We had shops. Kaniphakameni nilwele le South Africa sifuna ibe yiyo. Nihleli apho umuntu uhleli iSouth Africa ihamba ixesha lehamba uyaguga uba mdala kodwa uyabona uba kuyonakala. Inyeke nobutywala ulutsha maliye kuthanda utywala ulutsha. Liye kuthanda utywala ulutsha. Sigqithile etywaleni utywala busindawo. Utywala soze bukusendawo uzawuguga uzawugula uzawufa. Stop this love of alcohol and the groove. Stop this thing of alcohol and groove. Nibe nispike when drinks nithini ninelana nabantu nigulisana kuyo yonke lo mnxilo. Kaniphakameni lilwele elilizwe lethu. Kaniphakameni lilwele elilizwe lethu liyahamba. When you are a patriot like me and tell this thing, it means that you know yourself, you are confident of who you are, you know your value, you know your worth. You must come and stand up for your country. You need patriots in this country to save this country. Aba bantu mabahambe babulela abantu ngapha ngebhasi. I-taxi industry is supposed to chase them out. Nathi sincedise yona. Sithi futhekini hambani nibulela abantu kakubani kwazi uqhuba. Mabafutheke mana abantu apha.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Angry South African man is sending a message to my foreigners nebantu who are protecting foreigners. Send a message kubo bonke labantu labaqashisa ama foreigners la South Africa. Uthi njena it's time ngokuthi labantu labo bahambe la South Africa because bendi corruption bedabugebengu bathi ngisatetsa miva. Kuningi nje labakwenda la South Africa bato wendani la South Africa bazothini apha eSouth Africa. So he's just fuming, he's angry, he's spitting fire. Uyasho nje ukuthi abahambe. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Mina nawe siyobona nakulenye lenhle ledagi video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.